How do biosimilars compare to biologics for lupus? When it comes to treating lupus, biologic medications have been a significant advancement. These are complex proteins made from living cells that target specific parts of the immune system. They are often prescribed when other treatments haven't worked well. Biosimilars are essentially highly similar versions of these biologics, developed after the original product's patent expires. They are designed to be as close as possible to the original biologic in structure, safety, and effectiveness. Biosimilars undergo rigorous testing to demonstrate they are similar to the original biologic in terms of quality, safety, and efficacy. They are not identical like generic drugs are to small molecule medicines, because biologics are large, complex molecules. Instead, biosimilars are approved based on evidence that they produce the same clinical results and do not have meaningful differences in safety or effectiveness. This process involves extensive analytical studies, animal testing, and clinical trials. In terms of effectiveness for lupus, biosimilars have been shown to perform similarly to their reference biologics. For example, biosimilars of medications like rituximab or belimumab, which are used in certain lupus cases, have demonstrated comparable outcomes in clinical trials. They can reduce disease activity and help manage symptoms just as well as the original biologic. Cost is another important factor. Biosimilars are typically less expensive than the original biologics, which can make treatment more accessible for many patients. This can lead to broader use of these targeted therapies, potentially improving overall disease management. However, insurance coverage and healthcare policies may influence whether biosimilars are prescribed instead of the original biologics. It's also worth noting that switching from a biologic to a biosimilar is generally considered safe and effective, provided it is done under medical supervision. Regulatory agencies like the Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency carefully evaluate biosimilars before approval, ensuring they meet strict standards for quality and safety. In summary, biosimilars are a reliable, cost-effective alternative to biologics for lupus treatment. They are designed to match the original biologic closely in terms of safety and effectiveness, and extensive research supports their use. Patients should always discuss treatment options with their healthcare providers to determine the best approach based on their individual health needs. As with any medication, ongoing monitoring and professional guidance are essential to ensure optimal outcomes.